back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is LaToya Princess. Today's video is going to be a wig review on this unit that I got from BGMgirl. So BGM actually stands for Black Girl Magic. I did get the 613 unit. I really wanted to try some color out, and I think the best way to try color out is to get a 613 unit because it takes out the whole entire process of dyeing your hair blonde. Before I get into the specs, let's get straight into the packaging, and I'm gonna unbox the unit so you can see how it came versus how it looks now. So here is a look at the box that your hair is going to come in from BGMgirl Hair, and the back of the box basically just has their social media handle. So this little pamphlet is basically just a thank you, and it comes with a pair of mink lashes, a wig cap, and this is what your wig is going to look like in the packaging. 180% density. It is Brazilian hair in 613, 26 inches. This is a look at the construction of the cap, and as you can see, it is a closure. Okay, so that is your only parting space right there. All right, and as you can see, the tracks are sewn. It has 4 combs, and this is a look at the sides because it like grips to your edges. So you really don't even need the combs because it grips great. And then it has adjustable straps at the bottom just for more security. This is what it looks like on the inside. I already adjusted my adjustable straps. We're just gonna put it on my head because it's tight already. So it doesn't have, I don't need to do too much. Oh my God. Okay, so I didn't even do anything yet, and I freaking love the color. Oh my God, I did not think it was gonna look good on me. So I'm debating right now because I kind of want to put my color on the hairline. So we're gonna try that out. If it doesn't come out right, that's fine. You know, I'll wash it later. But I just want to try it out and see what it kind of looks like. Because I hate that it looks like there's no part because of the blonde. So I'm just gonna, is that looking bad? Oh, it doesn't look bad. It actually is looking pretty good. And I'm taking my face powder and just applying a little bit to the parting space. Okay. Okay, that doesn't look too shabby. That doesn't look too shabby at all. Okay. Now I'm debating on if I should do like a little bit of baby hairs in the front or not. I think I am, just a little bit. Go ahead. So I'm just gonna do this little part right here. I'm not even gonna pluck it. All I'm going to do is just cut it right here. Okay, so I am back and I flat ironed the unit a little bit more. I did use my Hai, it's called Hai, H-A-I flat iron. I actually have a review on it and I will have it linked down in the bottom bar. The first thing I did was tone his hair using a purple shampoo, and I literally just let it sit until it was like a white gray color. Okay, once it starts looking a little like a dirty gray is when I take it out, and it literally stripped all of the blonde, and that's what I was going for. I wanted it to be like a white blonde. I find that white blonde looks really good on me, and it takes out the yellow tone. So, and it's very quick and easy. Okay, the purple shampoo is the easiest way to strip the blonde hair. Okay, so that's what I use. I don't want to go in toning because I know the tones that look good on me. So I knew that like a white blonde would look good on me. All right, so I didn't want to have it just white blonde because I already have a white blonde unit. I wanted to go with something a little bit unique. So I was sitting there and I'm like, you know what? I do have some colors already in my stash. So I pulled out the Adore 193 Soft Lavender, and this is a shining semi-permanent hair color. So what I did is I got a bowl and I filled it up with hot water, and I added about 1/3 of the bottle into the bowl. All right, and I mixed it, and then I just dipped the wig. I just kept dipping the wig in there. Okay, so it was like a light baby pink. But then I'm looking at the unit, I'm like, you know what, I don't want it to be two-toned. I want it to be kind of like an ombre. I want it to go from a light, like a beautiful, you know, white blonde down to like a baby pink, but I wanted the ends to be a little bit darker, and as you can see, they are. So what I did was I added the rest of the bottle to the bowl, and then I mixed it in. That would make the color more potent. So then I dipped just the ends of the unit into the bowl. Okay, this is still hot water. So then I was like, you know what, I want to bring the color up a little bit more. I poured out about 60% of the water with the color in it, and I just added a little bit more hot water until it got to the top. I mixed it up a little bit, and then I started dipping the wig again. Once I started dipping the wig, the color started to rise a little bit, and that's why it doesn't look like a just straight line. It looks like it was like really put on there nicely. Okay, I didn't want like that, you know, line of demarcation. So that's why you see the white into the baby pink, and then the basically like a fuchsia pink at the end, like a darker pink. So I actually did not think this is gonna look cute on me, but girl, I am in love with this look. Okay, I love it so much, and this hair is so beautiful. I love the length. I do wish I had a little bit more density on this unit. However, I think it came out perfect, and it looks so natural and nice. Okay, and by natural I mean the density. This is the 613 180% density Brazilian straight wig. All right, and then it's the 4x4 closure, and the thing that I love the most about this unit is that this is like a ready to go unit. If you really just needed to throw your wig on and get out of the house, this is the ready to go unit. And I say that because you do not have to go in and add like, you know, any type of glue, because the way they created the unit, it's like a suction on the side, and I'm just gonna show you. Now, normally I wouldn't have baby hairs with this unit, but I don't plan on wearing this hair out today. This is just a ready to go wig, so it's just a throw on for the video purpose, and then I'm gonna take it off, okay? Because today is not the day that I want to wear this hairstyle. I want it to be, I want to pop out, like, you know, and have a reason. But anyway, I wouldn't have my baby hairs out. But okay, let me just show you the hairline. This is the suction that I was talking about. So I know it looks crazy because I'm showing it to you like this, but this is a suction. So it just literally sits right there on your hairline, and your wig is not going to move. So you don't need anything when it comes to this wig in order to secure it. But look how natural it looks just on. Like, it looks like I have a lace front on, and like I really glued it down. So this is a freaking bomb wig. If you're somebody who is not good with applying your units, this is the type of wig you would want to get. If you're somebody who just wants to throw your wig on and go out the door, this is the type of wig you want to get. So I would highly recommend this unit. I would definitely recommend this hair company because I absolutely love this wig. It took the color like nothing. Like the process of me coloring this hair literally took like 10 minutes. Not even really 10 minutes. It was only like 10 minutes because I was really conflicted as to what I was trying to do, but it came together as I was going. So I would definitely recommend this hair company. I would definitely recommend this hair specifically. If I had to rate this unit, I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10. That's how good it is. The only thing I would change is the density. I would go up to a higher density because that's just how I am. I like a lot of hair. So I'm going to brush the hair to the back, okay, and I'm gonna brush the hair so you can see how it looks from the back. And the hair is so pretty and soft, okay? So as you can see, the color looks really good. The hair looks really, really good. It's flowing, it's long. It looks really good, right? Right, you guys, right? Love it, I have no complaints. So I'm going to leave all the information down in the bottom bar for you. Let me know in the comments if this is a unit that you would try. Let me know if you've ever tried this hair company because I have seen it around, but this is my first time trying them personally, and I am impressed to where I would love to try them again, okay? And I would get these units, but I would definitely get this unit over again with another density, and do another color because I think it was just perfect, like perfect. Let me know if you've ever tried this type of unit where it has like the suction grip on the side, okay? Tell me if you like the color. I do. I love it. Anyway, I love y'all. I thank y'all so much for watching, and let's chat down in the comments. I will speak to you in my next video. Bye, y'all.